The Digitization Studio at Hazel McCallion Central Library gives you the tools to turn physical media into digital files. In this video, we'll go over how to use the BookEye scanner to scan personal documents, book pages, and other materials for preservation or research. All the computers in the digitization space are walk-in only and cannot be booked in advance. Simply see the reference desk on the third floor and speak to a staff member about accessing the digitization tools. Here, you'll see the BookEye scanner and the corresponding computer. First, use the touchscreen to scroll through different material types. A short video will automatically play in the bottom left corner, demonstrating how to place the material onto the scanner. If you're scanning a book, you can lift the edges of the platform to help prevent your book's pages from flipping over. Now tap Scan. Go ahead and select your material type. Accept the copyright notice by tapping Accept and Scan. You could take a moment to review our copyright rules posted on every printer in the library. Now your scanner will scan your first pages. When scanning in book mode, a scan will be made of both pages. You can see how many pages were scanned here. And if you want to view more than one page at a time, you can select any of these options here. To change scanning settings, select the gear icon next to the Scan button. Here you have access to all types of settings. You can adjust the brightness or contrast. You can select the resolution for different applications, such as web or print. You can change whether the material will be scanned in color, shades of gray, or black and white. The scan mode is where you can adjust how many pages will scan at one time. Single images scan everything on the scan bed as one image. Auto split will scan everything on the scan bed and determine where one page of a document ends and another begins. Split in half will split the scan directly in the middle. And book mode captures both pages but determines where the break in the middle is. And lastly, you can adjust the cradle, however auto mode works best. On the left, you can click the Compose Content button. Here you can select scans from the right side and delete them. Here you can also adjust your scans by tapping Effects from the left side panel and using the sliders to adjust the brightness and contrast. When your document is arranged, tap Finish Composing. Now make sure that your USB key is inserted and tap Save PDF to USB. If you'd like to save in a different format, such as an image file, tap More in the corner of the button and select your preferred file type. Now tap Send. Here you'll see a success message saying that your files were transferred successfully. You can either continue scanning, continue outputting if you have more file types to save, or you can end the session. This concludes our video on how to use the BookEye scanner in the digitization room. If you have any questions, send us an email at history.library@mississauga.ca or visit the staff on the third floor of the Hazel McCallion Central Library.